Hello, I am 류지연. Today, let's talk about a country's story told through its national flag. Specifically, we will decode the Taegeukgi, the national flag of Korea. Can a single national flag truly contain the grand story of a nation? Let's explore the meaning embedded within the Taegeukgi. The Taegeukgi is composed of three main elements: the white background, the central Taegeuk symbol, and the four trigrams at the corners. We will explore each of these elements in detail. First, the white background symbolizes the love for purity and peace, reflecting the Korean people's traditional emphasis on these values. Second, the central Taegeuk represents the meeting of the red yang and the blue yin. This symbol is at the heart of the flag. The Taegeuk represents perfect harmony and balance, not conflict. It shows two forces, like day and night, or water and fire, coordinating with each other to achieve equilibrium. Third, the four trigrams, called sagwe, are placed in the four corners. They represent the four natural elements that constitute the world. The trigrams at the four corners symbolize the principles of all things. They represent the sky, water, fire, and earth, each positioned in a specific direction. Together, these patterns and the Taegeuk represent the constantly changing and developing universe, reflecting a dynamic and evolving world. The Taegeukgi is more than a simple symbol. It expresses the Korean people's aspiration for global peace, balance, creation, and development, contributing to the happiness and peace of humanity. The Taegeukgi is a flag containing the principles of the universe and life. What stories does your national flag hold? Thank you for watching this video.